Alright, new parts are here. Put them on. Got way less slack now. Like almost no slack, which is great. And it's at top dead center timing, so these dots are lined up right here. 55 foot-pounds, and we still got to put the harmonic balancer on and everything, but you can see I have no idea how this was actually running, because I didn't mess with the timing at all, and it's pointing at number like either 5 or 6, so it's off by at least one cylinder. So anyway, that was definitely the problem, so I'll put the distributor in top dead center on number 1 and button it all back up, and then we'll see if it actually runs good again. Alright, so got the time chain on, distributors set, top dead center, now faces out to number 1, those are good. So I got a new house, well, not a new one, I just cleaned this one up. I don't recommend buying a new one. Did this recently, and the aftermarket covers aren't great. They're not drilled the same. This seal is either too high or too low, which makes it leak pretty bad out of the seal, because the actual shaft ruins the seal pretty quick. So I got a new seal on there, cleaned it up real good, put a new gasket on, got a new balancer. So yeah, I'm gonna throw that guy on there and then throw the balancer on and then reassemble and get oil back in it. Well, actually then I gotta do the pan, coolant, radiator, all that good stuff. So next video should be first startup attempt, but should go. It ran 180 out, so it should run just great when it's actually right. So alright, so I'll keep you posted. Alright, everything's all put back together. First crank, here we go. It doesn't like it. Why not?
One more shot?
Sure. Yeah.
But it's something simple.
Alright, round 2. We switched the distributor around. I'm hoping it was 180 out. Why it ran when it was way off unintentionally, I have no idea, but we're about to find out. And hey, look, it's not vibrating like crazy. Nice. Good. Sounds like it's happy again. It's all buttery and stuff.
And you did just reset the computer, so it's trying to...
Yeah, it's learning. Open the door. Oh, just kidding. Oh,
It's good.
it's surprise. No check engine light. Cool. Yeah, it's LED, it's fine. Alright. Got a couple more things to do, but I'll pull it out real quick. Oh, look at that. Saved it. So, timing chain, trash. It didn't actually look too much different once I got it out from the new one. It was actually pretty much the same length, but it did fit much tighter on those gears. So, did harmonic balancer, timing chain, all the stuff inside the oil pan was from the little guide that's in there. You can see the wear that this thing was taken, and it just destroyed it. This is actually sitting in the oil pan, so that's what the mysterious stuff was in the bottom of the oil pan. Yeah, Velcro. This kit's pretty nice. It comes with the timing chain gasket, and it comes with a new timing chain seal, and it comes with a little sleeve you can put on the balancer so that it makes that seal sit even better. But it sounds way better, so that was definitely the issue. So won't have to do a full rebuild, just a little timing chain, but it sounds better than it sounded since I got it. So, and I should probably clean up those spark plugs because they've been running really rough for the last, I don't know, 100 miles or so. But yeah, anyway, timing chain. It's not really a how-to video, just a how to tell if your timing chain is bad video. All right, thanks for watching.